Welcome to the online locksmith course. My name is Boaz Femshlon. I'm a professional locksmith with more than 20 years experience. I'm chairman of the International Locksmith Association and I will be your teacher. You will learn step by step at your own pace what you must know in order to become a professional locksmith. The course consists of hundreds of videos and documents that will download to your computer at your home and office. In the end of the course, I will provide you certificate that will meet the necessary requirements of this profession and will allow you to practice this profession in many countries in the world. Let's start.
Breaching equipment tools can be purchased in any hardware store. Morris, how are you? Morris, I need a metal tape measure and a spring plier for my breaching toolkit. Can you help me? Excellent. We purchased Rav Bariach lock breaching tools for approximately 40 jobs.
Vadubano, Blatibia, Eritma, Spomasho, Servotracro, Parsot de film and Condite, Tony Chalicho Pokushendinier, Kuchenchecho. الدورة تشمل كاسيت فيديو ووثائق عن طريق الحاسوب.
Lesson 1. Businesses, containers, storefronts, and many other places use this type of Rav Bariach lock to lock up their premises. This type of lock with the extended locking bar is used to lock the gear shift in a car. The lock with a shorter locking bar is used to lock stores. This is a Rav Bariach lock and a professional locksmith can open it within 20 seconds. Now we will learn how to open the lock. These are the tools that we need: a metal tape measure, spring plier, and scissors. We only need 2 pieces in order to open a lock, but we will prepare a number of kits in order to be ready. Cut the tape measure strips at a sharp angle and insert a strip between the metal closing hook and the lock housing. After inserting the strip on one side, We will then insert a strip on the other side. Since the lock is resisting the strip, we need to find the right place to start. After we successfully inserted the strips, we turn them from outside to inside with our spring plier. The second part went into the inside area. In my opinion, we have successfully unlocked the lock. All we need to do now is to pull the locking head off. It is important to understand how the lock works. There are two indentations on the inside of each arm of the locking hook, which receive a locking bolt from inside the lock. If we insert a key and turn and look inside the lock, we can see the locking bolt move. When we insert the metal tape measure strip and turn, the locking bolt is separated from the locking bar and the lock opens. Please note that this process works only with first generation Rav Baruch spring locks. We will of course learn how to open second generation non-spring locks in later lessons.